Today I'm continuing my herbal series with an all-natural shampoo and a separate hair rinse that I'm using as a conditioner. I'm going to be using soapwort root, which is very similar to soap nuts. This is a great shampoo alternative for someone who doesn't tolerate store-bought shampoos. It's all-natural, eco-friendly, will strengthen your hair roots, prevent hair loss, and will make your hair grow faster. I'm using 1 tablespoon of soapwort root, and to that I add about 200 milliliters of water. I also add any herbs that I like. Today I'm adding some chamomile, nettle and tulsi. I'm using a teaspoon of each. I let my herbal mixture come to a boil and then simmer for the next 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare our conditioning hair rinse. I really like using marshmallow root for my hair. It makes my hair fuller and conditions them as well. I'm adding 4 teaspoons of marshmallow root to a jar and filling it up with hot water, then leaving it to rest until it's room temperature and ready to use. Of course, if you have the time to leave it overnight, it would be even better. Then I need to strain the shampoo mixture through a little sieve. Right now it looks like a thin liquid, but watch what happens next. Meet my trusty mini mixer. The liquid starts foaming up really quickly and soon enough becomes a fluffy, foamy shampoo alternative. As for our hair rinse/conditioner, it has a heavier viscosity than just water or tea, very silky to touch. It makes my hair feel soft and much thicker than it actually is, which is an amazing thing if you have hair that is on a thin side like mine. Marshmallow root also promotes hair growth. It's also similar to a plant-derived form of glycerin, so it softens skin and moisturizes our hair. Once I'm ready to use my soapwort shampoo, I make sure that I mix it again to fluff it up a bit more, since it settles pretty quickly. And then I just apply it to my hair. Make sure not to get it into your eyes as it will sting, so do apply carefully. Soapwort shampoo is also believed to fight hair loss, but for this you will need to leave it on your hair for around 30 minutes before rinsing it out. Always do a patch test first to see if your skin tolerates it. Next, I'm going to strain my marshmallow root hair rinse and finish off today's hair routine. There is no need to wash it out. This routine will cleanse gently without stripping your hair of natural oils. I do feel, however, that I don't get the best results since I live in a hard water area, so my hair are never squeaky clean after this method. It may be a good idea to try an apple cider vinegar rinse instead of marshmallow root. It will have different benefits and hopefully cleanse a bit more. To get full benefits for your hair, use this method once or twice a week for the duration of 2 months. Remember, using something just once will not solve your hair problem, so consistency is key when using herbs.